Hi, everyone. Welcome back to our tutorial series. In this video, we'll walk you through the steps to onboard an access point to our Insights cloud platform. Here's what we'll cover. Step 1, we'll start by registering a new AP on the Insights platform. Step 2, we'll update the AP's firmware to make sure it's compatible and ready to connect to Insights. Step 3, we'll make a few small configuration changes on the AP so it can access the internet and communicate with Insights. Finally, we'll head back to the Insights platform to verify everything is working and confirm the AP has been successfully on board. Before we get started, let's quickly go over the setup. Our access point is connected to a home router, which is linked to an ISP modem to provide internet access. We also have a computer on the same local network. This will allow us to access the AP for configuration, so it can obtain an IP address from the router and connect to the internet. With everything in place, let's jump over to the Insights platform and start the registration process. First, click on Access Point in the left side menu. Then, click the Add button to register a new AP. You'll need to enter a name for your AP and its serial number. To find the serial number, log into the AP's web interface. Go to the About section and copy the serial number listed there. Then paste it into the box. Once everything looks good, go ahead and click Create. And that's it. Your AP is now registered on the Insights platform. In this step, we're going to update the firmware on the AP to make sure it's fully compatible with the Insights platform. During the initial setup, we'll need to download the firmware from Insights and update it manually through the AP's web interface. However, once the AP is connected to Insights, you'll be able to update the firmware directly from the platform moving forward, so no need to access the AP web interface anymore. So let's get started. First, click on AP Firmware in the left side menu. Find your AP model in the list, then click the Download button to save the firmware file to your computer. Next, open the AP's web interface and go to Administration. Firmware Update. Upload the firmware image you just downloaded. Select Full Factory Reset, then click Upload Image to begin. Once the upload is finished, click Proceed to start the update. Just a quick reminder, don't power off the AP during the update. Let it finish the process completely. When the update is done, log back into the AP's web interface and check the firmware version in the top right corner to confirm the upgrade was successful. In this step, we'll update the AP's configuration so it can connect to the Insights platform. Start by logging into the AP's web interface. Then navigate to Configuration. Network. Here, you'll choose the internet connection type, either static or DHCP. If you select static, you'll need to manually enter the IP address, subnet mask, default gateway, and DNS server for the AP. In this demo, we're going with DHCP, which means the AP will automatically obtain its IP settings from a DHCP server, which is our home router in this case. Once that's set, click Submit. Next, go to the Remote Management page. Check the box to enable remote management, then select Insights as the management type and Cloud as the connection type. Click Submit. Then, save and apply. It might take a while for the new configuration to take effect, so just hang tight. Now let's head back to the Insights platform. Go to the Access Point page. After a short wait, your AP should appear as connected. It may take a little time for everything to sync up. And that's it. When you see the blue link icon next to your AP, that means the onboarding process is complete. You can now manage your AP directly from the Insights platform. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for our next tutorial.